Hi, so I wanted to go over week 2B real quick and just kind of give you more of a heads up on that. Actually, better yet, let's go over week 2B again and do it in a little more detail, and see if that can help. So, obviously, the introduction video, that's what you're watching now, and then the reading guide, pages 84 to 101, is what you're going to be reading. And then in the New Testament, it'll be Luke 1 through 24 and John 1 through 21. And then there will be the second reading quiz, or the week 2B reading quiz of the week. If we go down here, yes, it'll be the second reading quiz of the week. And then there will be the discussion board for week 2B. So you want to have that done. And so for week 2B's discussion board, that is due Saturday, June 14th, Saturday, June 14th at 11:59. And you can choose one of the other options here for your discussion post. So you can choose option 1 or option 2 to answer either one of those. So let's go back to where we were. Okay. And then what is the reading quiz on? We want to get a grasp on that. So actually, let's go back over here. The reading quiz. Be sure to read the whole question. If there are two facts in the question, both have to be true, or else the statement is false. There is at least one trick question. So that's something important to pay attention to as well. But the content, let me take a look here. The content for the reading quiz is going to be, well, let's find it. Pages 84 to 101. Yep, so make sure you're familiar with pages 84 to 101 in the textbook Encountering the New Testament. So we have the discussion board, we have the reading quiz, and then we have lectures 10 and 11. And then it looks like we have a file of the first map. So you want to download the map and the key sites list. On the map, be sure to identify the key sites from the list that is provided. Every city will be identified with a large dot. And you can watch this video to learn more about how that all works. I'll let you, you can pause the video and read the rest of this if you want. The video will show you how to put the sites on there and explain how that all works. So that's week 2B. I just wanted to give you a heads up on that and explain just a little bit more in depth of what's going on. And I hope that's helpful. And I will talk to you soon. Thanks.